Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to clear app usage data stored in any iPhone or iPad devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the settings and now just scroll down below and now you will see your App Store, right? Just tap on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here at the bottom one option written personalized recommendation, right? Just tap on it. Now you can see here clear app usage data options, so you can just tap on it. Now it will ask you for the confirmation. Now you can just tap on this cleared app usage data. Now your all app usage data stored in your respective iPhone or iPad devices will be cleared up. So by using this method you can easily clear app usage data stored in any iPhone or iPad devices very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.